Hi there, welcome back to Spanish Hut. Today we are going to discuss months of the year in Spanish. If you subscribe my channel and watch my previous video, then you will understood how to pronounce and write days in Spanish language. As per request from the subscribers, now we are going to discuss months of the year. Let's start. January, el enero. February, el febrero. March, el marzo. April, el abril. May, el mayo. June, el junio. July, el julio. August, el agosto. September, el septiembre. October, el octubre. November, el noviembre. December, el diciembre. In May and Mayo on July 10, 2006. El 10 de julio de 2006. It's December 3rd as 3 de diciembre. 8th October, el 8 de octubre. So this is all about months of the year in Spanish. Hope you will understand months of the year in Spanish and pronounce it very well. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe Spanish Hut. Thank you.